This wind turbine in Salem, near Llandeilo, is owned by the people of Carmarthenshire alongside the community energy company Sir Gar. All profits from the electricity this turbine produces go back into supporting groups and individuals in Carmarthenshire who want to do something to tackle climate change. The profits from the wind turbine have helped install solar panels and electricity storage batteries on community centres in the county, and to give interest-free loans to help the county's businesses to reduce their carbon emissions. Through the profit of the wind turbine, a company called Da has been able to visit tens of schools in the county to teach them in a fun way about the use of electricity and about renewable energy. That is, energy that is produced by our sun, our wind, our water and our earth. Energy that can be used again and again. The future of the children and young people of Wales is at the heart of everything Sir Gar does when deciding how to use the money that the community wind turbine produces. That is why a pot of money called Chwyldro, which is Welsh for revolution, has been created. Any young person between the ages of 8 and 18 can request up to £300 from Sir Gar towards an idea that tackles climate change. It can be an idea about helping nature, about reducing waste, growing food locally, creating solar energy, maybe something at school or in your community. It is completely open. Before Christmas, a group of young people from Carmarthenshire organised an exhibition with Sir Gar to show their photography, art and film they had created as part of the Dyfodol Arfer of Future Habits project. The crew had been looking into how the people of Wales used to live much more sustainably and kinder to the environment. They created art in response to this. Sir Gar is always looking for young people who want to do work experience or become apprentices with us. There are opportunities to be creative, opportunities to learn about the circular economy, which is to reuse and borrow instead of buying, and there are opportunities to learn about creating renewable energy owned by communities. We are also looking for young people who are interested in creating social media content with us. We are going to start regularly visiting Dr. M's Youth Centre in Carmarthen, and we regularly visit schools in the county. Please contact us if you are interested in working together or if you have an idea about what we could be doing. In order to learn more about renewable energy, we encourage as many children and young people as possible to visit the community wind turbine that Sir Gar runs. The visits are an opportunity to learn about the technical aspects of a wind turbine, but also to learn about how communities can create renewable energy locally and keep the profits in the community to be able to make a big difference.